What is this? What's that? You eat that. What is that?
Molly?
Is that a pear? Pear?
Where did he go?
I don't know. You want to go back to that one? You can go back to that one. What's this?
Rick.
Yeah, that's the sound he makes. What is it?
Want a beer? Want to go beer?
What?
What is this?
Beer.
No,
We're good.
I don't want to.
What is this?
Rick.
Ribbit, huh?
Yeah, we can go.
Grandpa can have it.
Can I have the frog?
What is this? What is
Ribbit.
that? No, what is this?
Ribbit.
What is this? Tell mommy what that is. What is that?
Rick.
What is that?
Come here. Here.
Swap.
I'll give you one frog for one car.
Can you tell mommy what this is?
Chicken.
Good job. It's a chicken. What's this? What is this one?
What?
Oink oink, huh? What's it called? What is that called? Is that a pig? Okay. It's a pig. She checks it out.